In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact an instructor on Udemy. This is a quick and straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to reach out whenever you have questions, need clarification, or want support from your course instructor. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Udemy homepage. Just type Udemy in the search bar and click the official website link. Always make sure you're on the correct site for security and convenience. Once the website loads, log into your account by clicking the login button and entering your usual credentials. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access the specific course where you want to contact the instructor. Look at the top of the page and click on My Courses. This will bring you to a list of all the courses you're enrolled in. Locate the course in question and click on it to open the course player. Once you're inside the course, you'll see the main video player at the top. Right below the video section, you'll find several tabs. Click on the Overview tab. This tab summarizes your course and is also where you'll find important additional information. Scroll down until you see the Instructor section. Here you will find the name and profile details of the person teaching the course. Click on the instructor's name to open their full profile. Now you're on the instructor's profile page. This is where you can send them a direct message if they've enabled the messaging feature. Some instructors choose to turn messages off based on their preference, but if the feature is available, you'll see a send message button. Go ahead and click it. A message window will open. Here type your message clearly and politely. Start by introducing yourself. Mention the course you're taking and then explain your question or concern. Keep it simple and direct so the instructor can understand your issue quickly. Once you're done, hit send, and that's it. You've successfully contacted your instructor on Udemy. Keep in mind that instructors may receive many messages, so it may take some time for them to respond. Be patient and check back occasionally for updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made contacting your instructor easier and more convenient. Feel free to explore our other tutorials for more helpful Udemy tips.